Welcome back, money-savvy viewers. Now that we're ready to dive into the world of earning $2.69 watching YouTube videos, let's get started with Step 1. Signing up first and foremost. To embark on your journey to make money while watching videos, you will need to visit a specific website that offers this tantalizing opportunity. This mystery website acts as intermediaries between advertisers and viewers, facilitating the process of earning money for your time and attention. Once you're on the mystery website, you'll notice a sign up or registration button. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a page where you will need to provide some personal information. This typically includes your name, email address, and gender. These details are essential for creating your account and ensuring that you receive payments accurately. It is crucial to exercise caution when sharing personal information online. Ensure that the website you're signing up with has a secure and trustworthy reputation. Read user reviews and check for any red flags to protect your privacy and personal data. Once you have filled in the necessary information, follow the website's instructions to complete your registration. Congratulations! You have successfully completed Step 1. You're now ready to start exploring the world of earning money by watching videos. But remember, there's more to it than just signing up, so stay tuned for the website reveal and the next steps in our exciting money-making journey. Step 2. Watch videos. Now that you've successfully signed up on the website, it's time to start earning money by watching videos. Here's how it works. Browsing video selection. After logging into your account, you'll usually find a selection of videos available for viewing. These videos are often advertisements or promotional content that advertisers want to reach a wider audience. Click and play. Select a video that catches your interest and click on it to start watching. Once the video begins playing, you'll typically see a timer or progress bar indicating the required viewing time. In most cases, you'll need to watch the entire video to receive credit for your time. Earn money. As you watch the video, you'll be earning a small amount of money. This compensation is usually credited to your account balance. The specific amount you earn for each video may vary, but it's often just a few cents or fractions of a cent. However, there's a catch to keep in mind. You are often limited in the number of videos you can watch in a 24-hour period. Typically, websites that offer this service impose restrictions to prevent abuse or overuse. This limit could be as low as 5 videos per day, so be sure to manage your time wisely. In conclusion, Step 2 involves watching videos to accumulate earnings gradually. While it may not make you rich overnight, it can be a simple way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Keep in mind the daily viewing limits and stay tuned for the next steps in our quest to earn money by watching YouTube videos. Step 3. Create multiple accounts. If you're serious about maximizing your earnings by watching YouTube videos, one strategy often recommended is to create multiple accounts on the platform. This approach allows you to multiply your earnings potential, as each account can be used to watch videos and accumulate earnings independently. However, it's essential to tread carefully and understand the implications of this tactic. The strategy to create multiple accounts, you can employ a clever trick with your email address. Most websites require a unique email address for each account, but you can use your primary email address with slight variations. For example, you can add dots to your email address. From the website's perspective, your name at gmail.com and your .name at gmail.com are treated as different email addresses, but emails sent to both addresses will still land in your primary inbox. Start with your primary email address. For each new account you want to create, add dots at different positions in your email address. Use these variations to sign up for additional accounts on the website. Most websites will accept these variations as distinct email addresses. Once you have multiple accounts, manage them separately and watch videos on each account to accumulate earnings. Referral program. In our quest to maximize earnings while watching YouTube videos, let's explore an additional avenue, the referral program. How it works. Many websites that offer opportunities to make money by watching videos also come with a referral program. This program allows you to boost your earnings by inviting others to join the platform using your unique referral link. But wait, seems like you're enjoying this video. Well, Pivot Online wants to hear from you. What do you think of this method that we found just for you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and with your feedback, we can pivot the online world for money more effectively. Because here in Pivot Online, it's all about making money, earning potential, For each person who signs up on the website using your referral link, you can earn a referral bonus. Typically, this bonus ranges from a few cents to $1 or more, depending on the platform's policies. In this case, we're claiming that you can earn $1 for each person who signs up through your referral link. Maximizing your earnings. To make the most of the referral program, share your referral link with friends, family, or even through social media. The more people you invite, the greater your potential earnings become. Just ensure that you adhere to the website's terms and guidelines regarding referrals to avoid any issues. So, by combining the strategy of watching videos and leveraging the referral program, you can increase your overall earnings and make the most out of your time spent on the platform. Keep watching to discover more ways to boost your income. Website reveal. Exciting news, fellow moneymakers. The website we've been talking about is none other than wintub.com. If you're eager to jump in and start earning money by watching YouTube videos, stay tuned because we'll be providing a direct link to wintub.com in the video description below. This link will make it super easy for you to sign up and get started on your money-making journey. Remember, while the idea of making money by watching videos is enticing, it's essential to approach it with a dose of realism. Earnings may not be as high as initially claimed, and it's crucial to read and understand the website's terms of service and policies. Bonus trick. Promoting on Facebook groups. Here's a little bonus trick to supercharge your earnings on wintub.com. Promoting within relevant Facebook groups. Begin by searching for and joining Facebook groups related to making money online. These groups are often filled with individuals eager to explore new opportunities. Now it's time to share your success with wintub.com. Take a screenshot of your payment proof or earnings, and create a post showcasing your results. This visual proof can be highly persuasive. Encourage fellow group members to sign up on wintub.com using your referral link, highlighting the benefits they can enjoy. Always adhere to the rules of the Facebook groups you're in. Some groups may have specific guidelines about promoting referral links, so it's crucial to respect their policies. The Pivot Online Verdict. In conclusion, our journey into the realm of earning money on wintub.com has revealed a series of key steps and a bonus strategy to maximize your potential income. Firstly, we emphasize the importance of signing up on wintub.com to create your account. Once registered, you can start accumulating earnings by watching videos. Keep in mind that there may be daily limits on the number of videos you can view. For those eager to enhance their earnings, we discussed a strategy involving the creation of multiple accounts using variations of your email address. However, it's crucial to stay within the platform's terms of service and ethical boundaries. Furthermore, wintub.com offers a referral program where you can earn $1 for each person who signs up using your referral link. As a bonus trick, we recommended promoting wintub.com within relevant Facebook groups. This entails sharing proof of payment and encouraging group members to sign up using your referral link, tapping into a broader audience interested in online money-making. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.